Hello everyone, Andrew here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way that I use to earn affiliate commissions on a daily basis. Now, it is a simple way, but it is a very effective one. Before we get into that though, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. And if you find this video helpful, hit that like button. Without further ado, if you click the link in the comment section down below this video, it will take you to this page. So the funnel I'm talking about, it's called money making funnel, and I created this funnel quite easily using the state-of-the-art platform leadsleap.com, but we'll get into that. So this statement here makes us $7 up to 129 per day on autopilot. It's absolutely true. But first things first, for this funnel to work with its full potential and to reach this amount here, you need to have a budget in order to invest. But if you don't have the budget, the right budget, it's okay. Just follow this video and every single step explained through the funnel. So after clicking the link down in the comment section of this video, it will take you to this page, which is the capture page of the funnel. You can watch this presentation video and then enter your email and click on let me in. After clicking here, it will take you to the next page, which is the step 1, activate your main income source. So this is the step 1 of the formula. And the main income source, it's also a funnel itself called easy income funnels. I'm not going to get into that now because there is a video here. Feel free to watch this video. Everything is explained perfectly. And all you have to do is click here. It will take you to the easy income funnel sales page. And you will see that it's only $7 one-time payment. So it is not a subscription, it's just a one-time payment. Also, you can watch this presentation video as well. After activating this main income source, easy income funnel, grab your affiliate link, which you will find directions in the video on your back office after you get access, and then jump to step 2. It will take you to the second step of the formula, which is cloning this entire funnel and making your own. Just watch this video right here. It is a step-by-step video how you can clone this using LeadSleep. If you don't have an account on LeadSleep, just click this button here. It's free to join, and then you can follow the steps on this video. Here also are the share codes of each page you will need to clone for yourself. After doing that, jump to step 3. Now, this is the most important step and the last step of the formula, because here we are going to talk about traffic. Okay, and given my experience online, I've tried a lot, believe me, and these are the 3 traffic sources that I've filtered down to the most effective one. They have worked for me since the beginning and still working. Currently that I'm making this video, I already have a campaign through all these 3 sources. Okay, so watch the video, and I guess this is it. It's quite simple. You don't need any previous experience. You don't need any particular skill to follow all the steps. As I said, in each page you will find a tutorial video on what to do if you are a total beginner. So this is it for today's video, guys. Like I said, I hope you find it helpful. If you do, hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.